አይ እንዴት ናችሁ? ይሄ የኢንድ ኦፍ ዩኒት ኩዌስችን የቻፕተር 2 ኢንድ ኦፍ ዩኒት ኩዌስችን ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ኮንስትራክት ግሎሰሪ ኦፍ the key terms in this unit you could add it to the one you made in unit 1 ይላል። ስለዚህ እዚህ ውስጥ ትልቁ ነገር የተማርነው ምንድነው? ስለ ስኬለር ተምረናል። ስኬለር ማለት ማግኒቲዩድ ብቻ ያለው ተምረናል። ማግኒቲዩድ በራሱ ተምረናል። ማግኒቲዩድ ማለት ሳይዝ ፕላስ ነምበር እንደሆነ ፕላስ ነምበር or the size of the value እንደሆነ ኮሊኒየሪ ቬክተር ተምረናል። ኮሊኒየር ቬክተርስ are parallel to each other ማለት ነው። therefore የኮሊኒየር ቬክተር ተምረናል። vectors that are parallel to each others and which are acting on the same points or the same line ተምረናል። ሌላኛው ኮፕላነር ተምረናል። ኮፕላነር vectors that are the same two-dimensional plane እንደሆነ the other is position vector. Position vectors are the vectors that represent the position of an object in relation to another object. We have learned about unit vector. A unit vector with a length of 1 unit. We have learned also the component of vector. That means the component of vector in x, y, and z. We have learned about the resolving vector. When we say resolving, splitting into horizontal and vertical component. We have learned about commutative law. Commutative law is a process obeys the commutative law when it does not matter which order the quantity are in the given function or in the given vector. We have learned also the word orthogonal at right angle, which means orthogonal ስንል ምንድነው? orthogonal are at perpendicular to each other or right angle ይሄንን አይተናል ማለት ነው። When two vectors are at right angles to each other is known as orthogonal. Number 2, what is scalar product of two vector? The scalar product of two vector is the vector that given by a dot b. A dot b which is ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Or the scalar product a dot b is given by the magnitude of a and magnitude of b times cosine theta. Number 3 is given this 3i minus j plus 2k 2i minus this. What is a dot b? A dot b is like 3 times 2, which is 3 times 2 plus negative 1 times 1 plus 2 times negative 4. This is 6 minus 1 minus 8. Therefore, this is 2 times 2. This is 4. Sorry. Therefore, negative 6 minus 5, which is equals to 1. B, the included angle between the vectors into one decimal point አስቀምጡ ይላል። Therefore cos theta is equals to a dot b over magnitude of a and magnitude of b. Therefore magnitude of a ስንል this magnitude 3 square ስንል 9 plus 1 plus 4 10 14. This is 14. And b ስንል ደግሞ this is 4 plus 1 plus 4. This is 8 9 square root of 9 which is 3 ማለት ነው። Therefore a dot b 1 አግኝተናል over square root of 40 times 3 ማለት ነው። Therefore square root of 3 ስናወጣ 4 times 1 over square root of 4 times 3 is equals to ይሄን ከራዲካል ስር ስናወጣ የምናገኘው 1 over 11.22 ይመጣል። Then theta is cos inverse of this number which is equals to 1/11.22 therefore 84.9 ይመጣል ማለት ነው into one significant digit ስለሆነ significant digitውን እዚህ ጋር አስቀምጠናል ማለት ነው for p is this q is this then ፕሮዳክታቸው ምንድነው የሚሆነው this is check አድርጉ 27 ይመጣል and p times q እንትኑ ቢቀየርም ምንም አይቀየርም therefore 27 ይመጣል ማለት ነው number 5 if x is equals to this and y is this ከሆነ x dot y ምንድነው የሚሆነው x dot y ነው therefore 2i ይሄን አስተካክለን ስንጽፈው 2i minus 3j minus 4k ማለት ነው የመጀመሪያው የሁለተኛው negative 2i plus 40j plus k ማለት ነው therefore እነዚህን dot ፕሮዳክታቸውን ስንሰራ የምናገኘው ምንድነው 2 times 2 which is negative this 2 times 2 this is equals to negative 4 yes negative 4 minus 42 plus minus 4 therefore this is equal to negative 50 ይመጣል negative 50 ይመጣል የዚህኛው ደግሞ y cross dot y dot x ያው ተመልሶ negative 50 ይመጣል ማለት ነው number 6 what is the vector product of two vectors the vector product of two vectors is when two vectors are multiplied together to produce another vector therefore a cross b is equals to magnitude of a magnitude of b sin theta in unit vector n in the direction of a and b that is perpendicular to a and b number 7 in ይሄ ተሰጥቷል find dot product of this ይሄኛው በክሮስ ፕሮዳክት መስራት እንችላለን ይሄ ባለፈው የሰራነው መንገድ ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ መጨረሻ ላይ የምታገኙት ኔጌቲቭ 4i plus 59j plus 26k ይመጣል ማለት ነው question number 8 if a is this much b is this much show that ይሄን መምጣቱን ቼክ አድርጉ ይላል ያው በማትሪክስ ፎርሙላ ይሄኛውን ሁለቱን መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው ስቴፑን ተመሳሳይ ስቴፕ መከተል ነው how can you test to see if vectors are orthogonal or collinear ነው ለማለት እንዴት ነው የምናደርገው if the vector product of two vector is 0 ከሆነ vector product of 0 ከሆነ the vectors are orthogonal ነው ማለት ነው orthogonal ነው ማለት vector product 0 መምጣት አለበት which is cos theta 0 ከሆነ ማለት ነው if the vector product of two vector is 0 the vectors are collinear which means እዚህ ጋር cosine ነው collinear ነው ለማለት ደግሞ sin theta 0 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው give some application of vectors application of vectors እንግዲህ በጣም ብዙ እንደሆነ አይተናል analyzing the bridge ለምሳሌ የብሪጅ ውስጥ እንደምንጠቀም analyzing the motion of the aeroplane እንደምንጠቀሙበት aeroplane ሌላኛው programming motion or position of an object in a computer game ውስጥ እንደሚያስፈልግ displaying the graphs ሌላው modeling and planning the trajectory path trajectory ስንል ያው ምንድነው trajectory is the path that followed by the object ልክ ካለው ሲደረግ follow የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው analyzing the motion of the planets ሌላኛው analyzing the magnetic field ማለት ነው so chapter 2 ይሄን ይመስላል በሚቀጥለው ደግሞ በደንብ የማትሪክ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እናያለን ማለት ነው እስከዛው መልካም ጊዜ